heavier person, because then once they have a lighter person, it's like, oh.
Yeah, one of my friends got on Brody, and she's about your size, and Brody's like, oh.
He's like, oh God, oh.
He's like, wait a sec.
Because
then he tried to throw her because she forgot to use her legs, and I'm like, hello? You know I'm gonna ride him.
yeah, because Earl's gonna be riding her, and I'm like, well, but I don't know the actual rider. I don't know if she's a rider. Yeah, she's kind of
I should better get up there. She's gonna be a good horse. She's had a correct start in life.
Yep, there you go.
Ashley, if you're watching this video, get your butt on your horse. She's good.
Holy dust particles.
What?
Holy dust particles. You're just an object in the background. In the picture.
Look how she's dropping her head. She's relaxed. She's like, and
Mm-hmm.
You're a good girl.
she needs to go get that thing.
She doesn't care. She's a good girl.
I'm staying on the camera. You mean a normal horse would be like, oh yeah.
Hey, head up.
She's like, can I play in the bucket? Yep, pull hard on the right.
Can I start recording now?
Slow.
Pull hard up, yep, and pull hard to the right. And you can kick with your left leg, so it's go off that. You kick her hard enough and enough.
Good girl.
Her ears are up and everything. She's like, okay.
Can I start recording now?